adventurers! Welcome back to another thrilling round of our Mystery Animal Sounds quest. Are you ready to put your animal sound recognition skills to the test once again? Let's dive right in. Listen up, explorers. Here's our first mysterious sound. Keep those ears sharp! What animal do you think makes that sound? Take a look at the images. Can you spot the right one? Spot on! It's the owl! Did you know owls have specialized feathers that allow them to fly silently, helping them hunt their prey without being detected? Ready for the next challenge? Here it comes! Which animal made that sound? Let's examine the images closely. Well done! It's the warthog. Warthogs often kneel on their calloused, hairy pads while feeding, making it easier for them to reach low-growing plants. Now, let's turn up the excitement with this next sound. Can you guess what creature it belongs to? Take a guess. Which animal do you think is responsible for this sound? You nailed it! It's the penguin. Penguins are expert swimmers, with some species reaching speeds of up to 22 miles per hour underwater. Time for another challenge. Can you figure out who's making this sound? Who do you think is behind this vocalization? Great job! It's the turkey! Did you know that turkeys have excellent vision during the day, but poor night vision? Let's keep the momentum going with our next sound. Any guesses? Which animal do you think it is? Correct! It's the jaguar. Jaguars have the strongest bite force of all big cats, strong enough to pierce through the shells of turtles and even the skulls of prey. Get ready for this interesting sound. Can you guess which animal makes the sound? Well done! It's the rabbit! Rabbits thump their hind legs to warn others in their warren of approaching danger. Here's our next challenge. Who might be responsible for this noise? Which animal do you think sounds like this? Exactly! It's the antelope! Antelopes are known for their incredible agility and can leap great distances to escape predators. Let's test your skills with this one. What animal do you think it might be? Who is making this sound? Spot on! It's the peafowl. Did you know that male peafowls are called peacocks and females are called peahens? Listen carefully to this next sound. It might be trickier than you think. Which animal is making this sound? Correct! It's the pig! Did you know that pigs are highly intelligent animals, often compared to the intelligence of dogs. And here's our final challenge for today. Give it your best shot. Can you tell us which animal is making the sound? Correct, it's the walrus. Walruses use their loud bellows to communicate with each other, especially during breeding season. Amazing job today! You've improved your animal sound recognition skills. Thanks for joining our Mystery Animal Sounds quest. Remember, there's always more to discover in the animal kingdom. Until next time, happy exploring. Bye!